Okay, question 6, we've got an equation of a curve. There it is, there's what y is. We want dy by dx, so we're going from y to dy by dx, so this is differentiation. Okay, and the trouble with this y is that it's a fraction, it needs dealing with. So you multiply at the top, nice grid for that, and then you're going to have 3 terms on the top. So you can have blah, blah, blah on the top, and you're going to have x on the bottom. So you have to split this into 3 fractions, okay, all with x on the bottom. And then each of those fractions, you're best off splitting. There's only x on the bottom, there's numbers on the top. So each one is going to end up as a fraction with the numbers, which will just be a number, and then a fraction with x's, which you may need to simplify, but you're going to end up either with just a constant, or you'll have x to some power. So one of them probably will end up as a constant, but you'll have a mixture of positive, negative powers of x. You'll have 3 terms, and then you're ready to differentiate using the rule for differentiation. Okay? Then we have to find an equation of the tangent. Okay, so that's a standard phrase. A tangent's a straight line. So equation of a straight line, we know we need a point and a gradient. Set those up, and then you can start using the y minus y1 recipe. Have I got a point? Well, I know that x equals 2, so I'm halfway there. I've got an x coordinate. Where am I going to get the y coordinate from? Well, if everything's labelled up clearly, here's y. That's how you work out y from x's on the curve, so you can get a y coordinate. So the point's going to be okay. Where does a gradient come from? Well, normally speaking, you have 3 methods for gradient, okay? But for a tangent or a normal, it's always dy by dx, and it's a bit of a giveaway. Dy by dx has been worked out. So your gradient is dy by dx, but of course we need it as a number. So your answer to part A will have x's in, but look, you've got an x value you can plug in. So you'll get the gradient using that x value. Then is it a tangent or a normal? It's a tangent, so we don't need to make it perpendicular. So we can go to the y minus y1 recipe. It doesn't ask for any particular form, so you don't have to do too much tidying up, but you should leave your answer in a form that you are happy with. Hope that helps.